Number 5.
More and more people own a drone but lack the flying skills. Hi, my name is Mikkel Bakker. I'm a professional drone pilot and I'm here to introduce Moka, a fully flexible, interactive drone track that will turn your drone into a game and make you a better pilot.
The Moka kit consists of 1 tag and 3 marks. Place the tag on your preferred drone. The tag will fit both hobby drones and professional drones without changing the performance of the drone. Next, place the marks and you are ready to fly. When your drone is over the mark, you will get both audible and visual feedback from the tag. Furthermore, the tag connects with the Moka app that will document your precision or act as a finish line during races.
To be a professional drone pilot, you need to be certified and obtain certain skills. During my training, I had a hard time getting a feel for my progress. For instance, when practicing to keep the drone over a specific point. A fence post doesn't give you much feedback. That is why I invented Moka, to get feedback from my drone.
Moka consists of a strong team of designers, engineers, and drone pilots. During the development and testing of the first prototypes, we found that Moka turns drone flying into a really fun game that all drone users could benefit from. Use Moka in your living room to unlock the potential of your drone and to turn flying into a social activity. Even with really small drones, it adds to the fun. When you are FPV racing with your buddies, use Moka as a timeline. Or when you are training to become a professional drone operator, use Moka to improve your flying skills.
Number 4.
Welcome to the world's first multiplayer race and battle drone game with real palm-sized drones. The game which turns gamers into pilots and pilots into gamers. We proudly present to you a new generation of gamers. Let's race! You will use mobile devices to control the drones and to connect with other players. Interactive bases can be used as power-ups that can affect other players. Bonus points to rank up or tricky traps generator. Special durable plastic is mixed to withstand falls and crashes with no damage. The app offers intuitive tilting controls, control joystick, and a cooldown button for boosts and missiles. Your final results are shared with other players online. Challenge your friends with Team Battle Mode. Steal the flag from your enemy and defend your own. Every team member has different roles and powers. Team tactics is the key. Drones have an inbuilt infrared LED cannon to shoot light rays with encoded ID. This allows shots to differ from each other. You can virtually equip the drone with different equipment in the Drone and Base app. Adding more armor slows down the drone, but allows you to withstand more hits when defending the base. Placing more bases with power-ups around the battlefield will make the game even more interesting. Base shoots infrared rays upwards, which are detected by drones flying nearby the base. The base can be preset to work as a flag or power-up using the Drone and Base app. A little bit of teamwork and a well-timed missile launch can help you overcome the enemy and win the battle. Your results are shown on a scorecard and shared with other players online. If you want to improve your skills, you can use the base as a shooting target. Single-player games can help you fill the time and get you going before your friends come to a drone and base gaming party. The complete drone and base package includes drone and base, 2 batteries, battery charger and spare props. Propellers are made to be almost indestructible. An electronic board stabilizes the drone 400 times per second. Data is transmitted via low-energy Bluetooth within a 30-meter range. A separate processor is used for infrared game communication. 2 multicolored LEDs indicate drone status, hits and team color. Drone has 3 infrared receivers for 360 degrees coverage. The portable charger is powered from a USB port and can charge up to 4 batteries. It comes ready to fly outside the box. Just plug in the battery, download the app and fly.
Number 3.
Piloting drones is a relatively new activity that most people are starting to explore. We wanted to design a drone that introduced as many people as possible to the first-person view drone experience without breaking the bank. Introducing a whole new flight experience. The Bolt is an innovative and versatile first-person view drone available at a radical price. It's a complete, ready-to-fly out-of-the-box solution that's easy and safe to pilot. The drone for everyone. There are 3 ways to fly. First, for beginners, to start flying, simply turn on the drone and turn on the controller. The 2 will sync up and pair, and you can take off. The drone features altitude stabilization and a beginner's mode that makes picking up the basics a breeze. Learn how to safely and confidently maneuver and control your drone. Next, for those ready to expand their horizons, attach the screen to the controller and start piloting the drone further away. Simply turn on the drone and the screen. The camera on the drone will automatically sync and broadcast a live high-definition feed. Mount the screen on the controller and you're ready to go. Finally, for those ready for the full first-person view experience, swap the screen into the goggles and prepare for a whole new flight experience. Immerse yourself into the world of FPV piloting and cruise around high in the sky. Or try your hand at FPV Drone Racing and experience the incredible excitement from every twist and turn. Drone racing is a new and exciting sport that is quickly growing around the world. Using FPV goggles, pilots race their drones around courses to compete for the fastest times. It is truly the sport of the future. The Bolt can be used to experience drone racing at a fraction of the current price. It's an exciting virtual reality flying experience. The Bolt drone was designed and tested in Los Angeles by a team of expert product designers, aerospace engineers, and drone enthusiasts. It's built on a carbon fiber frame that offers unmatched performance and durability. The HD camera provides crystal clear video and photos, and the battery easily slides in and out for quick swapping. The drone design is modular, so that individual parts can be replaced. The result is a highly maneuverable, lightweight, and aerodynamic drone. The Bolt features a unique and innovative FPV viewing system that allows seamless transition from traditional viewing on the controller to FPV viewing using goggles.
Number 2.
We're going to create the first consumer FPV racing UAV. You don't need the traditional and tedious DIY anymore. Even the normal UAV fans will be able to experience violent air races by taking this ready-to-fly FPV 300, like driving F1 racing in the air. There's no longer the DIY amusement for geeks, but the new flight experience for everyone.
checks. Fuck a white girl, drug bill, neck, karate top, a grill, bitch, I kill. Born from the center of a boys slapping gums about how they're hard, bitch, I'm harder. Martyr to the swag on the corner, beat you girl.
I'm a huge fan of drones. At my childhood, I wanted to fly in the sky like the birds. That's why I created the first-person view drones for everyone and just like the sky version of F1 Racing.
Number 1.
This is drone racing, the newest, most intense, heart-pounding extreme sport today that anyone can enjoy. Bridge the gap from virtual to reality so you can race your friends and experience the world like never before. Introducing the Rotor X Atom V2, the ultimate micro drone. Small enough to take and fly anywhere, Rotor X micro drones are optimized for fast speed, superb handling, and breathtaking power. Fly anywhere, anytime. The Atom weighs less than 5 ounces, well under 250 grams, so no FAA registration is necessary. It fits in the palm of your hand. Most drones are too expensive or flimsy to enjoy to their full potential. The Atom is reliable, resilient, safe, and affordable. Crash it over and over and over again. Its lightweight carbon fiber construction makes it the most durable racing drone on the planet. All components are easily repairable, customizable, and readily available. The Atom is equipped with the industry-leading FPV system, meaning you pilot the Atom via a real-time video feed with no latency over huge distances. An optional HD camera provides stunning 1080p video recording. Choose between a complete ready-to-fly system out of the box, or build it and customize it yourself with our DIY kit. No matter your skill level, the Rotor X Atom is a perfect fit.